Okay, my friends, today is November 12th. The latest stats are out from our Windermere statisticians, and this will cover data through the end of October, so October 31st. Um, looking in the Burien area, which also includes SeaTac, Normandy Park, and Tukwila. So stats should be on average or median. Taking into consideration these areas, we are looking at currently 1.4 months of inventory, and that means if no new listings came on the market, inventory would run out in 1.4 months if every buyer bought what was currently available. That's considered low. 5 months of inventory is considered a balanced market, so low inventory equates to a seller's market. Current median price for that south end here is $481,950. This is up 15% from the year past, so it's up from 2018 October, same time frame. This is the odds of selling. This is geared towards the seller. What percentage of homes actually get an offer and close? It's 85% of the inventory receives an offer and ends up closing. 17% does not either doesn't close for some reason or does not receive an offer and comes off the market. Here we are at the end of October, so 26% of inventory for the current month of October sold above the listing price with an average of 8 days on market. There were 28 homes that sold in October in that category. Median change from the list price was 2% over. So sounds like buyers were offering, 2% over the listing price to secure that home. So not a lot. 16% of October's inventory sold on average in 8 days at the listing price. There were 17 homes that sold right at the listing price. 23% of homes took a low offer after 19 days on the market, so just getting close to that 3-week mark. Sellers were able to take a lower offer, lower than the listing price, and that was 2% under the listing price. There were 25 homes that met that criteria. And then a large section of the inventory had to do a price reduction before they were able to secure an offer. So these are homes that sat on the market on average 75 days, quite a long time, took a price reduction before they secured an offer. 38 days, or I'm sorry, 38 homes met that criteria. Pretty similar to September. Pretty similar stats there. And actually pretty similar to this time last year, although we ended up having more price reductions last year. This graph shows just at a glance how much of the Sound is still considered to be a seller's market. Right now we are looking at Vashon Island as a balanced market. Looks like the rest of the area is still mostly seller's market. This graph shows 3 years ago, 2 years ago, 1 year ago. This is monthly payments, how they've gone up over time. October monthly payment is at $3,745 per month on average. Rates are down from last year, about 1.14%. Homes that are listed under 15 days appear to be just selling for 100% of median list to sale price. Actually, we do know that was a little bit over. 3% under in the 15 to 30 day range, 7% under listing price in the 31 to 60 day range, over 61 days, 90%. So it'd be 10% off the listing price. This shows in certain price ranges exactly how many it's sold, and this drills down for the entire year. So in the under $4.99 range, this graph will show how many units sold. In October was 60, month before that 54, August 60, July 63, June peak market 72 homes sold. We expect this to trend downwards, so November and December should trend downwards, although last year they did keep up. In the under $4.99 range, you can see the year-over-year change, so we're looking at 13% over what prices were last October. This fluctuates month by month. On the whole, we're down 2% from the year prior in that price range. $1.4 months of inventory. It's lower than last year. 157 active units. Again, lower than last year. 30% less inventory than last year. 115 pending homes that have already taken an offer. It's pretty much on par with last year. Pending sales. Close to last year this time. Closed sales in October, 104. $1,155 throughout the year. Closed median price $481,950. Last year at this time was $420. Rates at 3.7. Last year rates were at 4.8. Average monthly payment $2,216. Pretty close to last year. This graph shows for condos. This graph shows for residential and condos combined. This is historical data, so I'll travel back a time frame of 10 years. So here we are in October. 77 new listings, 115 went pending, 1.4 months of supply, 105 closed units. Median sale price, this is only for the closed units, is $41,950. And you can look back 10 years back, 2018, 17, 16. It continues on the next page, 15, 14, 13, 12, 2011, 2010. Okay, that's just a brief snapshot. These are updated once a month, and I'd be happy to send you any prior months that you might be interested in. Thanks so much.